बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम नामत व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़ाउज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. Please subscribe on channel Legal Talk Network, Justice for Everyone. Today my lecture, active and passive voice. A verb can be used in two ways, active and passive. Active voice and passive voice, they two ways. किसी जुमले में फ़ैल की मरूफ या मजहूल दो सूरतों में इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. अ वर्ब इज़ इन एक्शन. वॉइस इफ़ द सब्जेक्ट डज समथिंग टू द ऑब्जेक्ट. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एडवोकेट हमादुल्लाह भुट्टो राइट्स अ लेटर. एडवोकेट हमादुल्लाह भुट्टो ने ख़त लिखा. तो यहाँ पे बात करेंगे, एडवोकेट हमादुल्लाह भुट्टो इज़ द सब्जेक्ट. Rights is in the action of the subject done the object of the letter. So a verb in the passive voice, when the subject doesn't remain active, the actions and the objective are given more importance. So for example, a letter is written by Advocate Ahmadullah Bhutto. So ख़त लिखा जाता है एडवोकेट हमादुल्लाह भुट्टो के ज़रिए. यानी अ वर्ब रिटन एंड द ऑब्जेक्ट लेटर एंड द गिविंग importance the subject is placed at the end of the sentence. So and even if it is omitted, it will make to difference. The sense is complete. So how to change from active to passive? How to change active and passive? So in the order of the change the sentence of the active voice to passive voice, we have to make the following changes. The place of the subject and object and interchange. It means the object of the sentence in place or in the beginning of the sentence as subject. This subject is shifted to the place of object and the prepositions by is placed before it. So it can, the subject is a pronoun. So is a pronoun is a shifted to the place or object. In objective case, for example, subject I change into dash me, we change into dash us, you remains you no change, he change into dash him, she change into dash her, it remains dash it, they change into dash them. The second change is the verb is converted into third form. The past participates from the one of the following helping verb. Is helping verb. Helping word is before the main verb, the accordance with the subject singular and plural number. Present tense, indefinite tense, simple. Indefinite is MR, continuous is being, am being, are being. So perfect has been, have been. Past tense indefinite was were. Continuous was being, were being. Perfect had been. Future tense indefinite shall be, will be. Perfect shall have been, will have been. So perfect shall have been, will have been. Example, for example, change from active to passive into present, past and the future tense. Present tense. Present indefinite, we love Pakistan. We read storybooks. We read storybooks. Passive, Pakistan is loved by us. We love Pakistan. Pakistan is loved by us. He reads storybooks. Storybooks are read by him. Storybooks are read by him. Their are the active voice to passive voice. They are the simple sentence present continuous tenses. They are playing in tennis. The answer, they are playing tennis. Tennis is being played by them. She is watching the dishes. Dishes is being watched by her. Present perfect. He has brought a jacket. A jacket has been bought by him. You have taken tea. Tea has been taken by you. Past, active voice and passive voice. The past sentence. I explain you. He discovered the fact. The fact is discovered by him. I wanted some fruits and vegetables. Some fruit and vegetable were wanted by me. So, past continues. They were watching the television. Television was being watching by them. She was asking question. Question were being asked by her. So, past perfect. I had close by a lovely camera. A lovely camera had been chosen by me. A lovely camera had been chosen by me. You had rejected the offer. The offer had been rejected by you. So, past perfect continuous tense. No passive voice. Futures indefinite. You will open the door. The door will be opened by you. She shall convey the message. The message will be conveyed by us. So, future continuous. No passive voice. Future perfect continuous. Future perfect. I shall have made the phone call. The phone call will have been made by me. He will have received the money. The money will have been received by him. Future perfect continuous tenses. No passive voice. Passive voice is the interrogative sentence. Question sentence, active voice. Question in the passive voice. Also, they begin on the helping verb. Helping verb is a use of accordance with the subject or the passive voice sentence. For example, are you writing a letter? There is a passive voice and active voice. Are you writing a letter? There is an interrogative. I explain you. Is a letter being written by you? This is a passive. And active. Has he completed the work? Passive voice. Has the work been completed by him? So, what is he eating? What is being eaten by him? How did you discover the facts? How were the facts discovered by you? Know the differences, wow, brought the informations. So, by one man the information brought. Who will ring the bell? By one will the bell by rung. Who is knocking at the door? By one is the door being noun. How the change sentence or imperative mood. Sentence or imperative mood have a no subject, they being with first form of verb. For example, upon the door, solve the problem, help the poor, don't make a noise. So, active, upon the door. Passive, let the door be upon. Active, help the poor, let the poor be helped. The passive. Active, do not make a noise. Don't make a noise. Let a noise not be made. So इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट लेक्चर हम फिर किसी मजबूत पे हाजिर होंगे. अब तक इजाज़त. पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद.